Before I got my first virtual assistant client, I made every mistake possible. I wasted months trying to make everything perfect, perfect logo, perfect website, perfect portfolio, but I still had no clients. I underpriced myself. I said yes to things I didn't even like doing, and I didn't have a real plan. So in this video, I'm going to share the 5 biggest mistakes I made before I got my first VA client and how you can avoid them. Because if I'd learned these lessons earlier, I would have started earning months sooner. And if you want a clear 30-day roadmap that helps you skip all these mistakes and start your VA business the right way, I've linked it below. Let's get into mistake number 1. I wasted so much time trying to make my business look professional before it even started. That was trying to be perfect. I thought I needed a logo, colors, a website, but clients don't hire you because of branding. They hire you because you solve problems. If you're just starting, skip perfection and get clarity and take action. The workbook helps you define your services and outreach before you even touch Canva branding, because results first, pretty later. Now, mistake number 2, not defining my services. I used to call myself a virtual assistant but couldn't explain what I actually did. That was a big mistake, very big mistake. Clients need clarity. Something like "I can help you manage your inbox and schedule" is way more powerful than "I do administrative tasks." The workbook helps you define exactly what you offer, and by day 2, you will already have a mini service list ready to pitch. Mistake number 3 was underpricing. This one hurts. I charged too little because I thought it would attract clients faster. But low prices attract the wrong clients, the ones who demand more and pay less. In the workbook, I included a pricing calculator and a package builder that shows you how to set realistic, confident rates, so you attract clients who value your work. Mistake number 4, no systems. I landed my first small client and it was total chaos. I had no folder set up. I had no templates to use. Every message felt like I was guessing. Once I built simple systems, a welcome message, an onboarding form, a checklist, everything changed. That's why I added plug and play templates inside my workbook so you can set up your business properly from the start. Mistake number 5, waiting for clients to find me. I thought if I posted once or twice, people would definitely reach out. No, you have to reach out first if they're not coming. The outreach message template in my workbook helped me land my first real client, polite, confident, and non-spammy. The truth is, you don't get clients by waiting, you get clients by introducing yourself professionally. So those are the mistakes that kept me stuck, and I hope you skip every single one of them. I built my 30-day virtual assistant business workbook to help you avoid all this confusion from the beginning. It gives you a clear daily plan to go from "I want to start" to "I have paying clients," with templates, pricing guides, and systems ready to use. The link is in the description below, and if you're serious about building a virtual assistant business, grab it today and start taking action for yourself, because it will help a lot. It will save you so much. Subscribe if you want practical step-by-step videos to help you grow your virtual assistant business the right way. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.